Q object for checkconstraint. I'm trying to write a Q object that says either one of these 4 fields is not null, or this field is not true. I have a normalized table with 4 category of prices, and an available flag. I want at least one of these prices to be populated before it is possible to mark it as available _on the store on a checkconstraint with a Q object. I can easily do this with a huge Q chain or can easily write it in clean and force it in the Python side, yet I want it to be in the database level, so please answer accordingly.
You can write this as or we can write it shorter with you thus can make a model that looks like